Okay, so let's talk about that slightly awkward moment, right? You're chatting, it's been good, maybe even great, but you need to leave.
Hmm. That moment of figuring out the exit strategy.
Exactly. And you want to be polite. You definitely don't want to sound rude, but you also, well, you have to go.
If English isn't your first language, that adds another layer, doesn't it? That little voice wondering, am I saying this right? Is this okay?
Totally. It's a really common hurdle. It's not just vocabulary, it's the social stuff,
Huh.
the nuances. Getting those right gives you
Yeah,
confidence.
navigating those social currents smoothly.
Precisely. So for this deep dive, we're looking at some really practical advice from teacher Sam to help build that confidence.
Oh,
Our mission basically is to give you 10 solid, polite ways to end a conversation in English. Think of them as like tools for your communication toolkit.
nice. Tools you can actually use.
Right, so you can feel more in control, less anxious about saying goodbye, and honestly better at managing your time.
And what's interesting, I think, is that these phrases aren't just interchangeable. Teacher Sam points out they each have a slightly different feel, a different uh, social function.
Okay, let's get into the specifics then. First one up. Imagine you're at a party talking to someone, but you know you need to circulate, Teacher Sam suggests. It was lovely talking to you, but I have to go now.
Ah, yeah. This one's great because it does two things. First, you validate the conversation, lovely talking to you. That makes the other person feel good.
Right, acknowledges the connection.
Exactly. And then you state your need to leave, but I have to go now. It's direct, but because you started positively, it lands softly. You don't even need a big reason why.
Yeah, it's pretty versatile. Teacher Sam says you can use it almost anywhere, parties, networking events.
Even work gatherings.
Yeah. It just signals politely that your time for this chat is up, but you appreciate it.
Okay, second scenario. Maybe you initiated the chat and you suspect the other person was, busy beforehand.
Right, maybe they looked focused on something.
In that case, Teacher Sam offers, I'll let you get back to what you were doing.
Oh, I like that one. It shifts the focus to them, doesn't it? Shows you're considerate of their time.
It really does.
Yeah.
Teacher Sam highlights how thoughtful it sounds, whether it's a casual chat that interrupted desk work, or maybe even a slightly more formal setting.
It just says, I'm aware you might have other things, without making a big deal of it. Very smooth.
Exactly. It communicates you don't want to monopolize their time.
Okay, next. What if you've genuinely enjoyed the chat and actually do want to talk more later?
For that, we have. Let's catch up another time.
Simple, but effective.
Yeah, the key thing here, according to Teacher Sam, is that it's forward-looking. It implies this isn't goodbye forever, just goodbye for now.
Right, it leaves the door open. Feels very natural with friends or colleagues you actually, like talking to.
Definitely. It keeps the connection warm and suggests future interaction, not a hard stop.
Okay, building on that positivity, the next one adds gratitude. Thanks for your time. I really enjoyed our conversation.
Ooh, that's a strong one. Politeness level high.
Yeah, it's like a double dose, right? You thank them for their time, always good, and you specifically say you enjoyed it.
And Teacher Sam notes that expressing that enjoyment explicitly leaves a really warm, positive final impression. It feels sincere.
Makes sense. Especially good if someone's shared advice or, their expertise.
Absolutely. It really acknowledges their contribution and your appreciation.
Now, here's a slightly different angle. Phrase number 5. I should let you go now.
Ah, this one's interesting. Notice the phrasing, I should let you go.
Right, it's not I have to go, it's about them.
Exactly. Teacher Sam points out that this subtly puts the onus on you for ending it, but frames it as being considerate of their time or needs. It gives them an easy out if they were maybe feeling ready to wrap up too.
It's kind of preemptive consideration, isn't it? Like, if you sense they might be needing to move on, but you say it first.
Precisely. Very smooth way to handle it if you pick up on those cues.
Okay, number 6 is short and sweet. Let's talk again soon.
Very straightforward. Teacher Sam says it's just a really clear, positive way to signal you want to maintain contact.
Yeah, no ambiguity there. It just says, this was good, let's do it again.
Perfect after a pleasant chat where you genuinely mean it. Keeps things open and friendly.
All right, number 7 adds a nice touch. I'll let you enjoy the rest of your day.
Oh, that's lovely. It extends good wishes beyond just the conversation itself.
Yeah, Teacher Sam notes it sounds really friendly and positive. Leaves things on a high note.
It feels very generous somehow. Like you're genuinely wishing them well for whatever comes next.
Definitely a good one for more casual goodbyes, maybe at the end of a lunch break or something.
Mm. Okay, what about when time is the obvious reason?
Ah, the classic. Number 8. It's getting late. I better head out.
Can't go wrong with this one usually.
Right. It's practical, provides a clear reason everyone understands the time. Teacher Sam highlights its usefulness in the evening, obviously, or maybe on calls that have stretched a bit.
Yeah, totally. At someone's house, an event winding down, a long video call. It's universally understood and accepted. No offense taken.
Okay, almost there. Number 9 brings us back to continuing a specific discussion. Let's continue this another time.
This is perfect for when you're deep in a really interesting topic, but uh-oh, you're out of time.
Exactly. Maybe you have to run to a meeting or just genuinely need to leave.
Teacher Sam points out it shows you value the conversation itself, the actual content, while still needing to end the current interaction respectfully.
It says, I'm still interested, just can't do it right now. Good for showing engagement.
Very much so. And finally, number 10 kind of combines appreciation and the future. I really enjoy this. Let's chat again soon.
This one feels like a really warm wrap up. You get the I enjoyed it from earlier and the let's talk again soon. It covers all the bases.
Teacher Sam emphasizes it's great for fostering that ongoing connection, ending on a really positive and friendly note.
So that's the list. 10 really useful phrases. But Teacher Sam's point goes beyond just memorizing lines, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's about the impact of knowing and using these. It's bigger than just the words.
Right. Teacher Sam suggests that mastering these actually boosts your overall confidence when you're speaking English.
Definitely. You feel more prepared, less likely to stumble into awkward silences or abrupt goodbyes.
And it shows respect, kindness. People notice that.
Plus, using natural-sounding closing phrases like these just makes your English sound more fluent, more native-like, I suppose.
Yeah, more comfortable. Which, in turn, Teacher Sam points out, helps build better relationships, both personally and professionally.
It's tied into what Teacher Sam calls emotional intelligence, social skills. It's not just linguistic knowledge. It's about reading the room, showing consideration.
Which is exactly the kind of practical insight we aim for in these deep dives, stuff you can actually use.
Exactly, because knowing how to enter and exit conversations gracefully, well, that's fundamental to communicating well in any language.
And getting this right in English can genuinely change how you feel in social situations. Less anxiety, maybe.
For sure. And better time management, too, because you're not stuck in conversations longer than you need or want to be.
Plus, you leave a good impression. People remember politeness, and like we said, it makes your English just sound more fluent and confident.
But, and this is key, Teacher Sam really emphasizes practice. You can't just listen to us talk about them.
Right, that's the call to action here. The suggestion is pick maybe 3 of these phrases. Which ones feel most comfortable for you?
Write them down, maybe. See them out loud a few times.
Yeah, get used to the sound, the rhythm, and then consciously try to use them. Maybe in your next call, your next meeting, your next chat with a neighbor.
You could even, as Teacher Sam suggests, share them with other English learners you know. Practice together.
Because fluency, as Teacher Sam puts it so well, isn't just knowing words. It's knowing what to say, how to say it appropriately, and when to say it.
And politeness, in this context, is a seriously powerful tool.
So there you have it. 10 polite phrases, courtesy of Teacher Sam's insights, to help you end conversations smoothly and confidently in English. They're not escape hatches. They're tools for connection and respect.
Now here's something to think about. How might deliberately focusing on these small, polite exit strategies ripple outwards? How could it affect your overall communication style, maybe even the quality of your relationships? Start noticing how other people you admire end their conversations gracefully. What nuances did they use in different situations?